AMSOIL 20W-40 synthetic Vitwin motorcycle oil is a premium oil designed for those Indian and Victory riders who demand the absolute best lubrication for their motorcycles. It is the result of extensive research and is specially formulated to excel in all areas unique to motorcycles, including the high temperatures of air-cooled engines, wet clutch lubrication, extreme pressure regions of gears and chains, and rust protection. AMSOIL 20W-40 Vitwin motorcycle oil is engineered to protect critical components in high heat conditions. It exceeds the standard for high-temperature film strength to deliver excellent wear protection and contains a heavy treatment of anti-wear additives to reduce wear regardless of operating conditions. AMSOIL synthetic Vitwin motorcycle oil is thermally stable and contains maximum levels of oxidation-inhibitor additives. It is extremely resistant to breakdown and is engineered to prevent damaging sludge and carbon deposits for superior engine cleanliness. When you demand the best oil and lubricants for your Indian or Victory motorcycle, get AMSOIL. Click the link in the description below to learn how you can save up to 25% and get free shipping on all AMSOIL products.